Here at Wishbone, we use 100% recycled plastic lumber as one of the primary materials on our municipal-grade outdoor site furniture. As environmental responsibility is a core company value, we're always thinking of ways to reduce waste and our impact on the planet.
Hey Robin, I got an idea. You're gonna love it. It's for the video.
Our first approach is to limit or reduce the amount of waste right from the get-go. So our design team focuses on board-length efficient waste minimizing designs. But despite the most clever designs, the manufacturing, assembly, and finishing of our products does produce two undesirable outputs. Number one, cut ends or cutoffs. These are pieces of dimensional plastic lumber that didn't make the cut, pun intended. But it is perfect to create tons of these, the world's first 100% recycled plastic doorstop. Number two, squigglies. These plastic corkscrew spirals are the byproduct of cutting, drilling, and routering plastic lumber boards. And we generate a lot of squigglies. But what about when we cannot reduce and we can't reuse? Well, the final choice is to recycle. So our current solution is to send the plastic back to the factory to be sorted and transformed again into useful, dimensional, recycled plastic lumber. Do I have to?
Yeah, it's for the video, Robin.
Okay. It takes a lot of effort to collect, pack, measure, and get this plastic back to the factory, but it is worth it. Since 2008, the purchase of Wishbone products has diverted over 4.3 million pounds of waste plastic from ending up in landfills and oceans. This is what truly closes the recycling loop: the specification, selection, and purchase of high percentage content recycled products. So really, it's not us diverting this waste, it's you. So the next time you're on a Wishbone bench or eat lunch at one of our picnic tables, know that you are part of the solution. Okay guys, I'm done. Hello? Guys? I'm done the script. Not again.